In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Venmo bank transfer has been returned. So if you're having some issues with the bank transfer that you have done, what you can do is you can head over and see what went wrong. So first, you can check the status of your transfer into the Venmo app. Instant transfer may show as pending, but it can take around 30 minutes for the transfer to complete. It's also best to check the last four digits of the bank or card used for transfer so you can confirm where the funds were sent. So you can see if it's still pending, they might be because of this. However, if it's returned after those 30 minutes, it may be because of other problems. So in there, if you can't complete your bank transfer, that may be because there may be a restriction on your Venmo account that is preventing this transfer. It may be because your account is frozen, or your debit or bank account may not be eligible to process instant transfer, or the information you've entered when linking your bank account doesn't match what your bank has on file, so you need to make sure to take note of that as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.